guys, I'm super happy to announce to you that I have just published my book. I think you know it already, but I spoke only in Italian about it. It's a book with a really big publishing house. It's called Feltrinelli, Gribaudo Feltrinelli in Italy. It's in Italian, unfortunately, so for you it's not that interesting, but it's a fantastic book. It's an Arabic course, starts from zero, takes you to being an upper intermediate. It gives you all the foundation of Arabic grammar and how to speak and a lot of verbs, and it's amazing. I love it. This is bad news because it's in Italian. It's called Instant Arabic. You can find it in online also in Amazon, even if you speak Italian. But if you don't speak Italian, please be patient because I'm in the process of publishing my English version of the book. It's not going to be like a translation. It's going to be a different book targeting English speakers, so internationals in general, not Italian. So it's a little bit a different method, but like the main way that I teach is going to be the main method used in that book, and it's going to be published inshallah in 2018. So be patient. I'll keep you updated on when the English version book will be out. I'll keep you updated. I wanted to update you also on the fact that I'm going to open almost 3 courses this year, starting from late March. Save the date. I'm going to give you the dates very soon, but for now, late March, early April, so you know, Easter time, so many of you have holidays and can happily and gladly come to my course. So I'm going to open these dates for you soon. The March course is going to be a beginner course, 2 weeks in the Holy Land, and I'm going to open another course, 2 courses in May, advanced intermediate advanced course and a beginner course, and another one in the summer inshallah, which will be in July, August. Of course I will tell you the dates, but for now, very soon you'll have the dates on the March course, beginner course. I hope to see as many of you. I'll try to open the applications as soon as I can, so you have like an early knowledge of the dates, and you can arrange yourself and your job and your studies into being able to come. Inshallah, maybe around next week you will have the dates. I need to, of course, get an answer from the hostel and the school that I usually teach in, but nothing will change. I'll keep those because they were fantastic and my students love them. So these are the news for now. I have the book going on, teaching in the school. I'm going to make these 3 courses, and I'm going to announce to you the dates of the first course, which will be in March, by next week. Alright, so I hope you like these news, and ma salam.